Hello and welcome. You're watching Trend Flux, where we simplify the complex. Today's focus: 50% tariff on India by Mexico. Let's break it down. Start by addressing the user's query directly. Everyone is talking about a country neighboring America imposing a massive 50% tariff on India. Is it Canada? Is it the US itself? No. It's Mexico. Mexico's Senate has approved a bill to impose tariffs ranging from 5% to 50% on imports from countries with which it does not have a free trade agreement, FTA. Who is on the list? India is a primary target, along with China and other Asian nations. These tariffs are set to kick in largely from 1st January 2026. Why would Mexico do this? They want to raise revenue, estimated $2.8 billion to $3.7 billion. They want to protect their local industries, textiles, steel, shoes, from cheap Asian imports. The Trump factor: Donald Trump, US President-elect, has threatened 100% tariffs on goods coming from Mexico if he suspects they are just transshipped from China, Asia. Mexico is likely raising these walls to prove to the US, look, we aren't a backdoor for Asian goods. We are taxing them too. It affects over 1,400 product types. India exports about $5.75 billion worth of goods to Mexico annually. Reports suggest 75% of these exports will now face higher taxes. Automobiles. Current status: Mexico is India's second or third largest market for car exports, after South Africa, Saudi Arabia. Companies like Volkswagen India, Kia, and Maruti Suzuki export heavily there. The change? Duties on cars could jump from 20%, 35%, or even 50%. Result: Indian-made cars become too expensive for Mexicans. They might stop buying them. Auto components, Indian parts, gears, brakes, etc., are huge in Mexico. Duties will rise from 10 to 15%, 35%. This breaks the supply chain. Steel and aluminum. Steel faces the harshest penalty, a flat 50% tariff. This essentially bans Indian steel from the Mexican market because it will be double the price of local steel. Steel and aluminum. Steel faces the harshest penalty, a flat 50% tariff. This essentially bans Indian steel from the Mexican market because it will be double the price of local steel. The backdoor theory: for years, Asian countries, like China and India, used Mexico as a side door to get goods into the USA duty-free under the US-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA. The US pressure: the US is reviewing the USMCA trade deal soon. Mexico is terrified the US will cancel the deal if they don't stop the flood of Asian goods. By taxing India and China, Mexico is sacrificing its relationship with Asia to save its marriage with the US economy. The FTA miss: India pays the price because we do not have a free trade agreement with Mexico. Countries that do have a deal, like Germany or Japan, are safe. This highlights a failure in Indian diplomacy to secure a trade pact in time. Can we fix it? Indian trade bodies, like the Engineering Export Promotion Council, are begging the Indian government to urgently start FTA talks with Mexico. The bottom line: this isn't just a tax, it's a geopolitical maneuver. Mexico is choosing sides, North America over Asia, and Indian exporters are becoming collateral damage in the US-China trade war. Call to action: what do you think? Should India retaliate and tax Mexican goods? Or should we rush to sign a treaty? Let me know in the comments.
I wanted to take a moment to thank you all. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.